Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create self-checking pixel art with Google Sheets. The first time I saw this online, I was really confused how it was working. I'd never seen anything like this before, and so my goal was to figure out how teachers do this and how they're making these things because I've never seen this as self-checking practice. So to show you what I'm talking about, I made an example activity. So feel free to use this if you want to copy it and edit it to make it your own. But I'm going to show you what happens when you make one of these sheets and then your students start to enter in the correct answers. So I just put a bunch of random questions on here. So what is the capital of Georgia? Atlanta. As soon as students enter that in, it identifies Atlanta as the correct answer. So pixels will start to form and create a mystery picture, which is really engaging for students because they're thinking, what's going on the right side of the screen? If they don't write the correct answer, let's say they write Augusta, nothing is going to pop up and nothing is going to form. So let's fill in all of the correct answers slowly to see what's happening as you enter in each answer for each question. And some of them can be words, some of them can be numbers. So I did a mix of both. And then after students are done answering all of the questions, the mystery picture forms. So we got a Super Mario character here. And if students are able to tell you the picture at the end, you know they were able to show mastery of all of those questions. So pretty cool activity. And each step today will go over one, how to edit one that's already been created. And then if you want a challenge and you want to try to make one on your own, I'm going to walk you through that process as well.